To put it bluntly, the cake was so dry, the coffee could not soften it up. My name is Jay, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. On today's lesson, I will teach you 2 advanced English expressions you must know and use in your daily English conversations. I will also have a quick quiz for you and a special announcement at the end of today's lesson, so be sure to hang around until the end. The first phrase that I want you to learn is to put it bluntly. Now, this is when you want to express a straightforward or frank statement. In other words, we say you're not going to cut any corners. You're going to tell it like it is. You're not going to be sensitive to a person's feelings. You're going to be blunt. So you may say, to put it bluntly, I think you should change your shirt because it does not match your pants or your shoes. Or you may say, let me put it bluntly. We need to address the reason you are leaving your clothes in the floor, especially after I have cleaned the house. Don't you hate that? Another phrase that you can use in your English conversations is in the same breath. Now, you would use this phrase or expression when you're discussing 2 related ideas or actions in quick succession. So when you're talking, you may have a number of points or thoughts that you want to get off your chest, and that's what we call speaking in the same breath. So for example, you may say he praised the team's efforts, and in the same breath, he highlighted areas of improvement for the next game. Or you may say in the same breath, she wished her husband a happy birthday and happy anniversary because they were in the same week of the same month. In the same breath. So make sure you practice these 2 particular advanced English expressions. And I know they're going to help you to be more fluent when it comes to speaking English. Now, let's get ready for today's quiz question, and it's very, very simple. So simple, I hope you don't get upset with me. How would you use to put it bluntly and in the same breath in a sentence? That's today's question. It's just that easy. Leave that for me down in the comments section and let me know. Be creative. Let's have some fun like I try to have on the channel. Now, for today's question of the day, I want to know, what is a recent book that you have read or a recent movie that you have watched, and what did you like about it? So it's Christmas time, it's Christmas season, and so I usually watch Christmas themed movies around this time of the year. And I'm not sure if you've heard of this popular movie called Home Alone. Home Alone is very funny to me. It's about a kid who gets left at home during the Christmas holiday, and his family realizes it once they are out of town. And it's quite funny. I love watching that movie, and I pretty much try to watch it every year. I also like watching Star Wars. I recently watched Revenge of the Sith. I enjoy Star Wars movies and the spin-offs that they have. And I've actually read a couple of books lately, but what's fresh on my mind are the movies that I watched. So I wanted to share that and find out what are some of your interests, whether it's a book or a movie that you've recently watched. Let me know down in the comments section, and this will give you an opportunity to express yourself in English. Now, before we leave, my special announcement or a special gift to you, if you're still watching, I have a second channel, and I've been trying to work it in conjunction with this channel. Here on this channel, my English lessons, I primarily do lessons, and so I want to get to know my subscribers and be more in connect with you. So I'm doing a vlog. So that channel has gone through so many different changes. I'm going to put a link down in the description, and I want you to join me. I'm challenging myself to do content on that channel every day, and I would love for you to join me. So if you're still watching, make sure you go down to my second channel. The link is down in the description, and join me every day for different fun, thought-provoking conversations and commentary. And there'll be short videos, anywhere from 4 minutes to 10 minutes, and it'll give us an opportunity to talk. Because I've tried Instagram and I don't get my subscribers to join me on Instagram. And so I'm going to try just using YouTube, since many of you are already subscribed to this channel. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. If today's lesson has helped you, please give me a like and share it with a friend. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. And I hope you join me on my next video. Have a wonderful day.